How to choose a supplier of ultrasonic welding equipment. It is necessary to choose a powerful factory. No. 1. Rich product inventory. We have 3 large warehouses to ensure stable supply. No. 2. Professional technical team to ensure product quality and service life. No. 3. Precise pre-shipment inspection. Each machine will go through multiple inspections and hundreds of aging tests before shipment. We have been committed to providing high-quality ultrasonic plastic welding equipment to global customers. Follow me, your business insider in China.